Hello, it's Di with WTI. And has it ever happened to you that you're about to leave somewhere with your car and it doesn't start? You don't want to bother neighbors, you don't have a friend you can call to, you're somewhere where you don't know anybody. Now you will have a friend that will always be there to help you to start your car. With this NEXPOW jump starter kit, it's super easy. You can always have a car to try with. You just simply first try your car. If it doesn't start, open the hood, open the package, plug it into your car, start it, go back inside of your car, start the car, go outside of the car, unplug it, close the hood, start driving. It's your best friend on the road. And that is my point of view.